face masks. They're a quick and easy way to get clear and glowing skin. But with so many masks on the market, how do you know which one is right for your skin type? Today we're going to talk to you about everything you need to know about face masks. Hey, I'm Sue and this is Leslie, our skincare expert, and we're here to give you simple tips to get the best skin of your life. So make sure you subscribe and come back often to get more great skincare tips. Leslie, facial masks.
Yeah.
I already have a pretty complete skincare routine. Why would I also use a mask?
It's a really good question. Facial masks have become so popular in the last few years. There's all kinds of different facial masks that you can use. The main reason why most people turn to a face mask is to offer a little bit of a quick fix or to solve an immediate problem. Masks generally have a really specific or targeted treatment point, and depending on the result that you're looking for, you're going to choose a mask that really focuses on treating that one specific concern.
Okay, so it's in addition to my skincare routine that's already treating my skin.
Exactly, yeah. Facial masks should be used to complement your daily routine rather than used instead of. You still absolutely need to use all of the regular steps that you do: cleansing, toning, serums, moisturizers. Masks don't replace those products. However, if you've got a party coming up or a special event, or maybe if you've been through a period of illness or fatigue, a mask is a great way to really solve an immediate problem in a short period of time.
Okay, so that sort of leads to my next question. How often would I or could I or should I use a mask?
So it depends definitely on the type of mask that you're using. A lot of hydrating masks that focus on really packing moisture into the skin are often directed to be used as often as needed. So you can use those multiple times per week, especially if you're going through a particularly dry spell. Maybe if you're back from a holiday or vacation and you had a lot of sun, or maybe in a real cold snap and you find that your skin just needs that added boost. Okay. Other types of masks, however, clay masks for example, or sometimes exfoliating masks, should be used a little bit less frequently, and you wouldn't want to overdo it with those types of products. One, maybe twice a week, depending on your skin type.
Okay, my skin tends to be quite dry, and I love using a hydrating sheet mask.
Yeah.
Any tips on putting those on?
Yeah, so using sheet masks can be a little bit tricky. I love to pop them in the fridge, get them nice and cold before using them, and that's just gonna give a little bit of a depuffing action. You always wanna make sure that your skin is prepared before you apply any mask. So it means that you've already cleansed, taken off all your makeup, and if possible, do a nice exfoliation prior to so that the mask is able to absorb. Okay. And only leave it on really for the recommended time that is directed. So if it says 15-20 minutes, there's not going to be a lot of additional benefit from leaving it on much longer than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
No, but in general, just follow the directions. And if you're not sure, if you're looking at two different products and you kind of think you need both, it's definitely possible to have multiple masks. You could even use multiple masks at the same time, choosing hydrating ingredients for one part of your face or purifying ingredients for another part. So you're not stuck to just one product. You can have as many masks that meet the needs that you have at that particular time.
Fantastic. Okay, I can't wait to go home. I'm gonna mask tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. Thank you, Leslie.
No problem. If you'd like to learn more about skincare or how to build a skincare routine, I invite you to join me for a free webinar that I host. You can click on the link in the description box below, add your email, and you'll receive notifications about our next upcoming webinar, how you can join us for free.
Fantastic. And as well, make sure you join us here every week. We'll be back to give you more simple tips on how to get the best skin of your life. And if you have any questions or tips or comments about face masks, maybe you have a special routine you'd like to share with us, we would love to hear it. Until next time, take care.